Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about the string functions. This is the continuation of the previous video. This is the long back we had done about the string functions part 1. Because of some project work and due to some other unexpected work in my project, I could not make videos. So let us continue the string functions part 2 video. Here I have created one report and we will be fetching the fields from S custom table. We have ID which is called as the primary key and we have name also. Now let us explore the string functions whatever available. We have lower string function which will convert the particular thing into a lower case. So I'm writing this lower string functions for name, and we have upper string function also which will convert the particular variables or strings to the upper case, and we have ltrim which will trim the values for a particular field from the left side, and we have trim also which will trim the values from the right side. So this is the value which has to be trimmed 0. I have mentioned it as a 0. And we have substring function also. This substring function will get the values whatever we have mentioned from a string. So it will take the values from the second to fifth character. And we have replace function also available. This function will replace the value with the value we give. So if we have SAP in that string, it will replace with the CDS. So these are some of the string functions. Let us fetch that data into some internal table. If you want to see the like for completing the code, you can do control space, so it will auto film. So we have display, so it will come automatically. If you do control space, all the things will be coming automatically. Okay, our code is completed, and I have done the pretty printer using shift plus F1, which is the shortcut, and I have activated the program also. Let us run this one. We have run as ABAP application. So it is navigating to our SC38 because it is a report. If we wanted to see it in our console, we can do that here. So let me maximize this console. So ID and name we have fetched, and lower function, if you observe, all these uppercase letters are converted into lowercase, and upper function Since it is already in uppercase, it has r- written the same one. And trim function, if you have zeros, it will trim the zeros from the left side, and if you have zeros from the right side, it will trim the zeros from the right side. So we don't have zeros, so that's why it came as it is. And sub function, so we have mentioned it substring. So second to fifth character, so it has from second, it has retrieved 5 characters from the second place. So it is APAZ, and if you observe here from second position, which is N, and it has retrieved up to A. And this is exactly 5 characters. This is how the substring function will work. And replace function. We have SAP here, and it has replaced with CDS. Let us do some changes for observing the changes in the LTrim and RTrim functions. I will use ID instead of that name field, so you will clearly see the difference. Okay, let us run this now. Let me maximize. So, okay, let us clear our console and let us run it again. Yeah, if you observe here now, after clearing our console, our ltrim function, all the values whichever are with 0, those are trimmed from the left side. Since we don't have zeros from the right side, it came as usual, but our ltrim function has worked. So if we have zeros from the right side, then it will be trimming from the right side also. This is how it will work. So these are the some of the string functions which are available, which will be very useful instead of getting all the data into our internal table and doing all the performs or doing some operations. We can do it on that database only. Hope this video is useful to you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel more for more interesting videos. And if you want any particular topic in detail, please do comment also. I will do that particular topic.